Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Matchbox on a Mission, Mission Construction Blast. You can blast the building, you can rebuild downtown. Look, you can even build your own adventure if you buy more sets. We also have 2 Matchbox blind bags to open at the end. Here we can peek inside to see something blue. I wonder what it's going to be. But this one is red. Oh, wow, I can't wait to see that. Let's go ahead and open our box. Look, we have a bulldozer. This set comes with stickers. We need to put them on all of our sets. Oh, look, our bulldozer's ready for a big day of work. He can go up the ramp and down the slide. Whoa, that was fun. Let's do it again. And down. Yay, he did it all by himself. I wonder how he can get up to the top of the building site. Maybe if we slide the road over. We've got to get some rocks up to the building side. Let's pick some up. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's set them right over here. Beep, 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 beep. Well, I think I'm done for now. Time to take a break. Hey, Mater, I can beat you to the construction site. I'm right behind you, McQueen. Woo, I made it first. This is so much fun. Hey, look, there's a construction truck up there. Ooh, what's that button? I wonder what it does. Whoa! Uh-oh. That's a bit of a problem. It looks like the bulldozer's stuck. Mater! Hey, Mater, you gotta help me out. I pushed a button and the whole construction site exploded. Oh my, that's crazy. Look, the bulldozer's stuck. Do you think you can help him get up? Oh yeah, I got this. I'm really strong. Look, we did it. Yay! Thanks, Mater. You saved us. Wow, yay, I'm saved. Woohoo! Wow, this construction site is a lot of fun. Now it's time to open our blind bags. I wonder what's inside. Wow! It's a fire truck, airport rescue. Wow, that's pretty neat. Let's open our second one. I wonder what's inside this one. Wow, look at that. It's an ATV. Cool. That'll be lots of fun. Woohoo! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.